Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will begin by confirming device and app requirements, then open the keyboard app or system settings. Tap into keyboard appearance or theme options and choose background or wallpaper. If using a third-party keyboard, grant needed permissions. Make sure the app can access photos. Once done, select the option to pick an image from gallery or built-in themes. You should see a preview area. Adjust crop or scale now, so the important parts of the image remain visible when keys overlay. You now focus on readability. Crop the image so the central area avoids letters and icons, and then adjust brightness, blur, or opacity to prevent low contrast. Choose keyboard thickness and font color to ensure characters stand out. Test a dark font over light backgrounds or white over dark. If available, toggle key pop or shadow effects to improve feedback. Once satisfied, preview typing on the keyboard to verify legibility across different keys and app contexts before moving to save. Finish by saving the new theme and selecting Apply, so the keyboard background becomes active system-wide or within that app. If changes do not appear, force close the keyboard or restart the device, and make sure the keyboard is selected in Input Methods. If you still see issues, clear the keyboard cache or data or reinstall the keyboard app. Make sure gallery permissions remain enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: revert to a default theme briefly to confirm the problem is with the image or app settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.